Many times on sets when we have a Steadicam and Steadicam goes upside down in the low mode, the image on the camera gets flipped and all the monitors are seeing upside down image now. So to solve that problem, in most of the cinema cameras, there is an option called flip image or mirror image or sensor flip. How can we do that in Sony Venice 2? In Sony Venice 1, this option was present in the technical settings in special configuration, but in Sony Venice 2, if you go for that, you can't find that. So what they did is they put that in monitoring. So if you go on your full menus by long pressing the menu button and then you scroll down to your monitoring, and in your monitoring you go on output display, there you have flip image option, and if you click on that and you go to from normal to H+V flip, it will flip the image 180 degree and you will be seeing the image in the correct way. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.